In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text here in InDesign. Now, the quickest way to do this is by using a keyboard shortcut, and that is T on the keyboard. Now, if you don't use that, you can come over here to the left-hand side to this panel, where we see this T, and where it says Type Tool. Now, if we click on there, it's going to give us a text box, and this text box we can adjust to however big that we want, just like that. Then from here we can add our text. So let me just put your text just here, just like that. Now if we look under this text box, we have this little toolbar where we have a few different features. Now if we highlight the text like so, we can then change the font. So if we click on this little drop down arrow just there, we have lots of different ones to choose from. Now for this example, let's just choose any, and let's go with this one just here. Now what we can also do is choose between regular and the other features if the font allows it. This font doesn't allow it, so it's only regular. We can also play around with the size of the text as well by clicking on this little drop down arrow as well, and then choosing which one we want. So let's go with 24, and now that's made bigger. Now we also have the option to align the text as well. So we can click on this and it's going to adjust it just here to whichever one that we want. Let's go with center, just like that. Then if we click on these little three dots just here, we do have a few more options. Now over here on the right hand side, this panel just here under properties, this is where we have even more options. Now this toolbar just here, you're going to find these features over here on the left hand side as well. And if you want to change the color of the text, we can simply come to fill just here, and then we can choose the color that we want. For this example, let's just go with this one just here. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add text here in InDesign. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.